asks, let us now speak of a case where justice perished. Let us consider a particular point in which justice is taken from the people's life and society. Let us describe a case people are no longer interested in justice. Let us highlight a position the society excludes justice out from its presence. Let us ask question what shall happen to our children, wife, husband, relation, neighbor when justice is excluded. Let us ask question what shall happen to business trade when justice is excluded. Let us wonder what shall happen to governance when justice does not function. Let us ask question what shall happen to strangers and visitors when we by our own hand fail to favor justice. Let us ask question as to the future of growing and coming generation when justice becomes eluded. Let us ask question if there is civilization, progress, growth and development if justice is astray. Let us conclude question what shall happen or if there will be anything called advanced country and developed country if justice is only imagined but not seen. Let us have the third world countries where they have hidden their justice or what they are doing with justice. Let us be as worth invading the advanced countries and the third world countries. Conquest at justice. Let us be as worth by spelling out doom to injustice